Hi, Rocco. Today I cook hua tiao rice wine chicken.
Mm.
Uh,
Yeah, I know.
I think
My request also, right? I think everything that you cook is something to do with our memory, right? And as we bring out the children and all that. Remember this one where we eat or not? Last
Yeah.
time in the OUG there,
after we bring them for
to
swimming,
swimming, right?
yeah,
And very, very small.
yeah,
So whenever we want to order this, we don't know whether to order or not because got wine inside, right? But actually, now that you can cook, it's actually the wine not so much. But I think I find that very interesting because they actually have two rice wine,
yeah,
two wines, yeah.
two different types.
What is what? One is
Hua tiao jiu
the other one,
is 玫瑰露jiu,
the rose wine.
rose wine.
But it smells very, very good. So is it hard to cook this one?
No,
Not really.
it's very simple.
But the fragrance is very, very good. So I'm going to really try it out now. But I think this is a very popular among the Cantonese cooking, right? But quite hard to find these days. But they only have like one type of wine only, but with two type of wine. Like this one, I think a bit different. Let me try the broccoli.
It's more delicious if you eat it hot. The chicken.
Is it? Yeah. Wow,
How is
nice.
it? The soup,
Mm.
very nice.
Do you marinate the chicken? Yeah.
Yeah, for half.
Wow, the what do you call the chicken taste really bring out the really fragrant
I marinate
chicken.
for 3 hours.
3 hours before cooking.
Yeah,
It's a bit of effort.
Wow, the soup is
Very good.
fantastic.
This one is piece for you.
Thank you.
Thank you for cooking all this. It's actually very, very nowadays want to eat things like that to have the real taste somehow. Home cooking I think is probably small work, but it's quite a treat eh?
And the chicken is also very tender.
Very tender. Let me try. So what is the like you have to cook it for a long time? Like it's more like a stew, is it?
Yeah, for half
No
an
fire.
hour.
You go fire.
For half an hour, 30 minutes.
So you cannot go anywhere you have to still keep stirring the chicken. Why do you have to do that?
So that it won't burn at the bottom. The chicken won't burn.
Won't burn Oh, very, very good, you're right. Chicken is very, very nice.
Very tender, is it?
Now give me an idea for my next request. I think I might use wine again. I'm wondering that those people who are watching, with the only idea that cooking with wine, one they can suggest to you. But I got another idea.
Prawn?
Cui ha,
Yeah, our
the
next
drunken
episode.
prawn. Right?
Yeah.
I think we'll see. Yeah. Okay. Thanks very much. Thank you.